Hello, this is Imi from iTradeAIMS.net, AIMS Stress-Free Trading. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Imi. I day trade the Dax30 and I've been doing it since 2012. We trade the M1 and M5 chart. I also trade the 10-second or the 12-second chart. So today I'm going to share with you a trade that I took on the 12-second chart. I have created my own indicators, and using the proprietary tools, we can trade even the fastest markets. So using this technique, you only need 10 to 15 minutes to grab 10, 20 or 30 points, and even more if you trade the US 30. So I've taken the trade live and I have recorded my commentary with it. So let's dive into the video and see how I traded it and how you can trade this method using the same indicators and strategy as well. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you get notification every time there's a new video. Okay, so the DAX broke out at the New York Open, at the New York Equities. It went 50 points up and then started pulling back. So I took an entry, an initial small entry, because I saw a PC pattern. This initially looked like pretty strong move up. I thought it would just continue going up, but it went further down. It has kind of broken the one box that is allowed. So as long as there's one box created against the stepping up pattern, we call it the PC pattern, we accept it as still a continuation of an uptrend. But it's kind of broken it, but still it hasn't properly broken it up. Still considering it as let's call that just a moment. I'll put a swing order there. So if the market was not going to hit my stop loss and continue to go up, there's a pretty good chance that it might go up and either create a new wave 5 up or just create a wave 5 of this 3 up. So now we see that market is actually going down towards my stop loss. So what I'll do is that I'll cancel my pending order here. Now it's not a PC, so what I'll do now is that I will wait for a setup 1 and my swing entries are going to be ready. So I've got it ready here. The gator is now sleeping, but price is below it. I want the price to actually go sideways a bit. AO has now come to the 0 line here. Now I have the chance, so I'll put that pending order up there. Let's just bring it here, that even if it comes here, I'm not interested. But if it goes up, that's a pretty good setup for me now, because we see the initial breakout and then the pullback. I can even show you it on the fib extensions. As you can see, it's pulled back 38% and almost between 38 and 40%, and that means that the rule of 8 out of 10 times a wave 4 will hit 38 or 50% if it is a wave 4. So it's a good measure for a wave 4. So what I'll do now, as you can see, prices come down. I'm going to close this pending order and I'm going to set a new pending order. Why is it half? I need to have it now full lots. So it's going to be, I'm going to go full 1% if it continues, but it's not creating that sideways wave 4, is actually slowly going down. So I'm not going to put a pending order unless I have this price stuck between the box and gator is sleeping. That's when I will do that. So it's going up. I'll quickly put that because it's a 12-second chart, so it can go quickly up as well. We'll see how it goes. Let me bring the M1 chart. So this is the M1 chart that you can see. Price was going down and then it went sideways. After that, we had this one candle at the 31st or the 1st or the 2nd minute of the New York Open. You can see clearly there was an indication that it wanted to go up, and then it broke out, came down, and as you can see, my order has been taken in. Let's go back to the 10-second chart. Oh, if I didn't go to the M1 chart, I could have actually brought my pending order here. That was a slight mistake. For that reason, my entry now is about 6 points late, but that's fine because market seems to be doing exactly what I thought it would be doing. It's going up, so I will hit the trail candle here, and as soon as I do that, it brings it to a stop loss to break even. That's fine. I feel like I need to make another all right, that's a little mistake, but that's fine. I'll cancel this. So This was a quick little trade. I should have actually taken the entry here, and that would have got me about 12 points. That's all I'm after. But in order to show you what I was looking at, I quickly went to the M1 chart, which turns out to be a little mistake. So my entry would be here, and then I would have taken around 10 or 11 points from it. But instead of that, I have taken 6 or 7 points. That's still not bad. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to correct these levels here and go for another swing trade. This is going to be a small trade, so I'll bring this here and I will hit the trail fractal on this. So if it continues and it goes nicely up, as you can see, I saw that box low was being created, so I made another entry, and this is kind of a re-entry. What I'm doing is that because of this little mistake that I made at the entry and another mistake of leaving the T candle on, I didn't want it to be on. I wanted it to just bring the stop loss below this level and then leave it there. But before I could respond, it quickly did that, and now I feel like there is a time now to actually press the T candle. As you can see, it's going towards my original target point, which I would base on this. If this is a wave 1, then the next wave is 3, which would go here. It's already hit target zone 1. There's a higher chance that this wave 5 that you see now here might turn into a new wave 3. But my trade is already successful. My profits have been locked, so this would be another quick scalp. If it goes up around here, I would not mind getting out, but I'm trailing the candle, so I don't have a target point for this. If there's another push, it will go up and then it will lock some more profit in. So every 12 seconds, my stop loss is going up thanks to the Advanced Trade Manager by Snom, and that's what it is. So now we have around 7-8 points locked. That's pretty good profit for this time frame. I don't mind if it comes down and hits the stop loss, but if it pushes up, comes to here, then we will lock some more profit in, and that's it. Now we're locked a bit more. We have around 9 points. I feel like I need to hit the close OP, but it's still the you know, the session is fresh, so there's nothing wrong with this. Just continue to let the T candle handle the trade, and nothing more I need to do. As we can see now, price has been knocked a bit down, but I'm still in there. I have locked, let's say, 15 pips. That is pretty good profit for this time frame. So we had a little scalp here, and then because I knew that the idea based on which I took the trade was still valid, so I actually made a re-entry on this, and so this I would consider it as one trade. So what I'll do is that I will consider this as a, now, as you can see, it went really strong up. So now that we have a new wave 3, and that's how I know how a wave 5 could potentially go into wave 3. So when there's a fresh new session like there was, and there's a strong move, and then the pullback is around 50 or more than 50%, there are more chances that it will become a 1-2. So now we have this, what we thought was a wave 5, wave 3 has now become a wave 1, and this is 2 and this is 3. And as you can see, my target, my stop loss has been hit. So I was looking for 7 or 8 pips, but I got myself 23 points in profit, plus the earlier one, so that's 6 there. So I would say this is about 29 or 28 pips profit into a wave 5 that turned into a wave 3. A pretty good trade for this session, and that's all I need to do. So this is about 14 minutes into the New York Open, the New York Equities Open, and I have hit my target. My job is done. There we go. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you get a notification every time there's a new video. And if you'd like to learn further how we trade this system, in-depth analysis, if you'd like to take the course, then head over to iTradeAIMS.net where you can join us. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this video, and if yes, please hit the like button. Do you have any questions or ideas for upcoming videos? Then leave a comment. Also subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos. See you next time.